Hello guys! Ranking videos are blowing up on TikTok right now, getting millions of views. The best part? Once you hit 10,000 followers, you can start making money from your videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create this viral ranking video in less than 5 minutes. Everything we're using in this tutorial is completely free and available in the free version of CapCut. First, search up TikTok. We're going to create a video with the funniest football commentary. Search for it on TikTok, and you'll see there are already some ranking videos, and they go crazy viral. Now, look for raw clips with lots of views. It's important that these clips don't have any editing. If they have text on the video, that's okay. This one, for example, is really good. Once you find one, copy the link, open Cobalt Tools, and download the TikTok. Then go back to TikTok and search for the next clip. Also, make sure the videos have lots of comments, as this shows people are engaging with the content. This one, for example, is another good one we can use for our ranking. Now, search for 3 more raw viral clips and download them. It should take about a minute. Once you've downloaded all 5 clips, open CapCut, drag them onto the timeline, and arrange them in the right order. Use a really exciting clip at the beginning to instantly hook your viewers and keep them watching. The first 3 seconds are the most important part of the video. This is where you need to grab attention so viewers don't swipe away. Then start trimming the clips. Cut out any boring parts so that every second of the video is engaging. This will massively increase your watch time and retention rate. After that, the hard part is done. Now add 5 default text layers at the start of the timeline and label them from bottom to top. 5 to 1, these will be the ranking numbers, so clip 5 is the first and clip 1 is the last and best clip. Extend the text layers to the end of the video, then start adjusting the numbers in the correct order. Click on 5 and move it to the right place. Then do the same for 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. Now, we need to add engaging titles for the clips. Focus on using titles that will make people want to comment, something funny or attention-grabbing. Add 5 more default text layers and extend them to the end of the timeline, then start by adding a title for the first clip. I'll call it sus clip because this might make people comment. And engagement is the most important thing on TikTok. Then place it right behind the number 5. Now move to the second default text and position it where the second clip starts. Again, choose an engaging title and place it behind number 4. Repeat this process for the last 3 clips, always making sure to place the title at the beginning of each clip in the timeline. After that, we're basically done. The only thing left is to add some style and color to the numbers and titles. Once all clips have a title, it should look something like this. Now, select all titles and choose a different font style and size. I also recommend adding stroke, because this will make the titles pop out and more engaging. For the font size, make sure it's big enough to be readable but not too large. Around 50 to 70 should work well depending on your video. You can also add some color to make the text pop. A good combination is white text with a black stroke, or bright colors like yellow, red, or blue to grab attention. If you want a more polished look, try adding a shadow or slight glow effect. Play around with these settings until you find something that looks good and fits your style. Now, color the ranking numbers to make them stand out. I like to make the lower numbers red or green, and then for the top 3. Number 3, bronze number 2, silver number 1 gold. This helps emphasize the ranking and makes the video look more professional. Adjust the colors until you're happy with the final look. Also, don't forget to add a stroke here. And a nice looking font like Franklin Gothic Demicond. Now, create 2 more default text layers and stretch them across the entire timeline. This will be the title of the video, Top 5 Commentary. Name one part Top Commentary and the other just 5, so you can use 2 different colors and make the 5 stand out. Then, move the title to the top of the video. Choose a bold font, a large font size, and colors that grab attention. For example, light red for Top Commentary and bright red or yellow for 5. And that's it. The only thing left is to export the video and upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts. If you want me to document a completely transparent journey where I grow an account from 0 to 10,000 followers, leave a like and comment. Now, I'll play the full clip we just created. It's super simple. Good luck, guys!
الكرة الأوروبية كلها رائعة. فيرجيل فان دايك. Virgil van Maguire.
3 dell'Empoli e 4 dei nostri in barriera. Bairami il tiro, gol. Mezzo, Saltarade. Gol! Balotelli! Ballo!
Oi, oi, oi! Bernardo Silva!
Rashida!